Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to research animals in Planet Zoo. Researching animals comes with many benefits. It can unlock species-specific enrichment items to improve their welfare, increase your zoo's education rating, and unlock other useful items that can improve their habitats and overall well-being. To get started, make sure you already have a research center built and have some vets hired. Then, click on the Zoo button in the lower left corner of your screen. In the Zoo Overview window, look for the flask icon with a paw on the left panel. This is the Vet Research tab. Click it, and you'll see a list of animals in your zoo that are available for research. To start researching an animal, simply drag one of your vets onto that animal's research window. The research will then begin. Research can take some time, so if you want to speed things up, you can increase the game's speed while you wait. You can also work on other parts of your zoo in the meantime. Once the research is complete, you'll receive an alert on the left side of your screen. Completing a research tier will unlock specific benefits for that animal, such as new enrichment items and other useful features. You can then continue researching the same animal to unlock higher tiers and even more benefits. Alternatively, you can assign your vet to research a different animal. Just keep researching the species in your zoo to unlock more useful upgrades and improve their overall welfare. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.